Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty vacancies notification from the three different colleges, guys. That means I am going to show you the three different notifications from the three different colleges. So really it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who belongs to these departments, whatever I am going to show you right now. And with only post-graduation qualification, without having the UGC NET or the PhD, you can earn up to 90,000 rupees per month from one of the three institutes that I am going to show you. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to the departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the three different college notifications, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first one we are going to see is Tata Institute of Social Sciences. So from this one, the name of the post is Program Manager, and you may check down. Okay, the last date for apply this one is 10th June 2021. Okay, it is the last date, guys. And the remuneration is also given here. So up to 80,000 rupees per month is available. And regarding the instructions and what we have to do, all these things are mentioned here. So you may check down. And coming to the qualifications, minimum desired qualification is Master in Public Health or Master in Health Administrator, or else a Master of Social Work in Health and Mental Health or the Public Health, or else MA in Counseling or the Clinical Psychology. So from past 3 to 4 months, I am getting the lot of comments regarding to update the vacancies regarding the social work. So I think this advertisement will be very much helpful to you guys, and took a lot of time to me to search the social work regarding recruitment notification. Okay, so I hope it will be helpful. Fine. And coming to the experience, minimum 2 to 5 years of working experience. Okay, and essential skills and other requirements are also mentioned here. So ability to strategize and implement the program to get the expected outcome, and excellent organizational and administrative skills, as well as analytical and presentation skills, and written and spoken communication skills in English, Marathi as well as Hindi, and proficiency in using computers or knowledge of MS Office, Word, Excel and PPT, and willingness to travel extensively within the state assigned. Fine. And coming to the application procedure, so you may apply with whatever the Google form is there here. So just click on this one, you will be directed to the Google form, and you have to fill up the details. Here no need of paying the application fee, guys, and the shortlisted candidates will be directly called for the interview. Fine. And next, while coming to the second one, it is Institute of Chemical Technology from Mumbai. So applications are invited for the post of Project Associate 1 and 2. Okay, so here you may check down the number of position. Okay, 1 is there. Fine. And again here they mentioned that 10 Project Associate 2 and 5 Project Associate 1, and the duration is 4 years. So remuneration for Project Associate 1 31,000 and 2 35,000, and the candidates must be qualified in the GATE or GPAT or CSI or UGC NET or else the similar examinations, or else if you don't have these national level eligibility test qualifications, if you are having only the post graduation, then you are going to get 25,000 for Project Associate 1 and 28,000 for Project Associate 2, including some HRA. Okay. And the interested candidates may apply by filling the form. Okay, it is a Google form given here. So for this one also you need not to pay any amount, guys. And here the last date to fill up the form is June 8, 2021, 5 o'clock. And the candidates will be directly called for the interview. And they mentioned here the Project Associate 1, okay, one post is there. The description is also given regarding the project and essential qualification. BTech in Food Technology, or else a Food Engineering or Food Processing Engineering, and MTech in Food Technology, and GATE or NET qualification must be there. So remaining details are also given here, and the date of joining is 1st July 2021, and all the interested candidates have to fill up this form on or before June 8, 2021. Okay. And coming to the next one is, it is IIIT D from Kanchipuram. Here still the notification, the recruitment or else online application portal is not opened yet, but the notification is released. So coming to this one, you may check down. So it is an institute of national importance established by Government of India. So here the faculty on contract basis and essential qualification are mentioned here. So PhD in design or else a master's degree regular in design or engineering with 5 years of experience after the master's degree, preferably as a industrial designer in an industry or else academia. That means if you're having the master's degree in design or else the engineering, then with 5 years of teaching or any experience, then you may apply for this one, guys. And here the area of expertise are given here: visual communication, interaction design, human factors or agronomics, and aesthetics form and sketching. Fine. And coming to the age limit is mentioned here, preferably below the 45 years, and the 2 years contract it is extendable for 1 more year based upon the performance. And the compensation is 75 to 90,000 per month, taking into account with experience with 10% annual increment for every subject or performance reviewing by committee. And the reservations are also given here, and few more instructions are given, so you may check down, guys. And whatever the enclosures you have to put, so all these things are mentioned here. And for your reference purpose, I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video, so you may check down. And the opening date for online application form is 28th May, but not yet open. And the closing date for online application form is 25th June 2021. And here, if you are having any queries regarding this notification, here the email ID is provided, and as well as the telephone numbers are also provided. Okay, you may mail or else you may contact to the provided numbers or the mail ID, guys. Okay. So total these are the different recruitments. Actually, all these recruitments that are very rare subjects. Okay. So please share this video. Very rarely we will get the job notifications based on the subjects, guys. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1, as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWYNIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.